Now imagine a search engine where you can type in keywords and instead of URLs, you receive links pointing to people who share interests for the same keywords you keyed in. Welcome to the exciting new world of Search and Map Engine. With Search and Map, your search experience is enhanced as URLs turn into HRLs, the real source behind the information. With Search and Map, you can locate hundreds of fun and intelligent HRLs. All you have to do is enter your keywords and voila! Hundreds of people interested in your hobbies, profession, and activities are available from all around the world. Got some interesting information to share with the Search and Map Network? Head over to the Interest Global Wall and share the post that will place you on our top poster leaderboard. Comment, like, and engage with others while building your interest reputation. Search and Map presents you with a custom-tailored global wall with all your interest updates in on spot. Want someone close by? How about someone from your country or your very own city? Visit our website at www.searchandmap.com and see how interests are shared across the globe on our real-time interactive world map. Book your spot now on Search and Map, the next generation of search engine where results are not just links, but real people.